Hello, welcome to my Gambian kitchen, Ramadan Mubarak. Today I'm gonna share this tea recipe with you. It is so delicious. Most of the ingredients are in your kitchen, so I'll have the list of ingredients in the description box, so please try it. It is super good, especially during this Ramadan. So I have some water here boiling, 3 to 4 cups of water, depending on how rich you want your tea. So just boil everything. Tea bag of your choice. I'm using Lipton today. So just have it boil for 3 to 5 minutes and just let it sit there for extra 2 minutes. So right here, I'm trying to take everything out and use milk of your choice. For me, the creamier the better. Usually no sugar for me, but you can sweeten it to your taste. And try and take everything out and use a strainer to strain the rest of the spices out of the tea. I like to see bubbles on top of mine, so I'm using my froster to frost it. And voila, it's a super delicious tea. So please try it. Let me know what you think. You can even go extra step, add some coffee to it. It is just super good. If you like Starbucks chai tea, you're gonna love this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, My Gambian Kitchen. Thank you so much for watching, and you have an amazing Ramadan.